Hey guys, welcome back. We've got another show. We're going to do some really cool stuff with some new tools today. So let's check out what we've got on our table. We got our hard hat and our glasses, and we've got our clamps and our screwdrivers, nails and wrenches, and our hammers and our calipers. Let's get started and take a look at these really cool toys. Okay guys, let's take a look today at our saw. The first one we're going to look at is our wood saw. This one is really cool. In real life, if this wasn't a toy, this blade would be so sharp it could cut through wood. And we have some samples here, but of course this is our tool set. This is our toy tool set. But this would normally go and cut into the wood just like that. And it would make an opening in the wood, and you could cut it through the middle, or you can cut down the side. Our saw is one of the really cool toys that we've got, because this can fit in your palm of your hand, and you can go back and forth. And this cuts all kinds of wood and even metal. Let's take a look at one of our other screwdrivers. Look at this one. This one's a flathead. This doesn't look like a Phillips, because remember, a Phillips has 4 sides. It has 4 different sides to it, and this one has only one. It's flat, but it works just the same. Let's take a look. You could take a piece of wood and one of your screws. Remember, the screws have threading. Put it in your wood. Take the flathead, go right into the top. See how it fits? And just screw all the way through the wood, down through the bottom. And if you didn't want it in there, remember, you can always take it out. So just reverse and take it right out. That's a neat one. Comes right out of the wood. And we can move on to our next one. Remember the difference. A nail doesn't have any threading. A screw, though, has threading all the way down, but it looks the same on the top. Now, let's take a look at our caliper. This is a really unique tool. What it does is it can measure, see all the numbers on here? These numbers are used to measure the size of whatever it is you're looking to measure, and you move this back and forth, and every time you do, you can get a measurement between this and this side. So let's just say you wanted to see the size of this piece of wood here. You move the caliper up and down, and then you can gauge it and measure what size. See? Very cool, huh? Alright. This also can tell you like the different sizes of screws and nails to make sure they're the right size. You can get a measurement. Alright. So now we'll take a look at our open-ended wrench. This one has 2 sides that are open, and that's why it's called an open-end wrench. 2 different sides, and sometimes they're different sizes. One is bigger than smaller than the other. These are really handy if you ever want to take a screw out. You can use it by fitting this in right on top and then just turning it around. You can tighten it or you can loosen it, and then use the other side to do the same. These are really handy, but they're also a little different than these. This one is closed. See how it's closed on the end? This one's open. This one's closed. But they do the same thing. And now we could check out our pliers. These are adjustable pliers. You want to know why they're adjustable? Because when they're in this position, they can move only so much, only open up so much on the end. But you can slide this over. See? There we go. And it creates a bigger opening. Whoa, look at how big that opens. So for this one, we can use it the same way. Grab onto the screw. See how that does?